Yo, what's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. Y'all know I had to throw y'all a bone, man. I've been super busy. Still getting these strategies going. And y'all know I'm gonna update the website. Get everything back going, man. So I'm just throwing y'all a bone by this trade recap right here. I traded one stock, XPEV, making $774. Traded for about 5 hours. Since the market opened all the way to 1 o'clock, and they had good news. It was a agreement with Volkswagen Group, as y'all can see right here. Let me show y'all right quick. SPEV, and the Volkswagen Group announced entry into framework agreement on strategic technical collaboration and strategic minority investment by Volkswagen Group. So they did something with Volkswagen, and it caused this big rip right here. And this thing got range, man. It was in the 15s early this morning. Topped out at about 21.19. So big range, man. A lot to work with, and I was interested in this thing was easy to borrow too. So you know people gonna short and get crushed pretty much. So they're gonna fuel the stock also. So I was basically just in and out, taking a minute to move. You know, I traded long and short. As y'all can see, I made money on both sides. I bought this breakout right here. I seen this thing. I wish I got live video. I need to go back making live trading videos. So y'all can see what I'm looking at, man. The reason why I hopped in like this. I mean, when the market opened, this thing was just set just sideways, right? I said, man, XPEV is just collecting shorts, man. They collecting shorts. Because people see it up from 15. You know, people just tend to short stuff like that. I said, this thing finna run. As soon as I seen all that volume coming in, right here, as y'all can see, like low volume, okay volume at the open, and then it just surged, man. All this volume came in. I got in long at 17.97 and sold it for a quick gain at 18.10, man. Nice spike. Should have held this thing, man, all the way 21, but hindsight 2020. So basically what I was doing, I was just being careful with it, just to see what it's gonna do. Like, is this thing real? Are they trying to sell into this move, or are they gonna let it run? So I mean, they kept grinding, right? And then they hit a key level right here in the 19s. Had a little micro pullback. I went long at 1950, sold into the pop at 1970. The same thing, man. Just waiting to see what it's gonna do. You know, going parabolic, and you know, looked like it was topping out. So I flipped short. Got in at 2036. You know, covering into this drop right here. But at the same time, I figured it was going to continue to go up. I just wanted to get me to move right here. I flipped long right here. Right when I covered, I flipped long. Most people can't do this. Most people just can't look at a stock and see what it's doing, go short, and then flip right back long. Like, people would tend to just stay short or like be short bias on it. Nah, I figured this thing going to keep going up, but why not make quick money when it pulled back? Because it would do for a pullback. I mean, this is a 1 minute chart. If you put on 5 minutes, this thing basically just all green, man. It would do for a pullback. See all these green candles right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, you know. And that's where I figured it was gonna pull back, and then I flipped long again because I thought we are gonna continue to keep going up after this pullback. I just figured it would do. So that's why I did that. That skills right there, you know what I'm saying? But went long, 2018, sold it. Nice trade right here, 2063. I thought this thing was just gonna go, bro. Like, I didn't even want to sell because I had a good cushion. So this trade was right here. I was just gonna hold this thing. When it broke out, I thought I was gonna go straight to 22. My target was 22, ended up pulling back. I wasn't sure it was gonna be like a fake out like how it did right here. I didn't know this move right here was gonna happen right here. So I ended up selling, making that profit. When I seen it reclaim again, I went long again. 21.09 with the same target at 22. It came up close to 21.81, pulled all the way back. I said this thing pulling back a little bit too far. Let me go ahead and get out, take my profit. 21.24 I got out. And then I seen it like come all the way down past all of this. So I said, okay, this thing on the back side. So let me go short. So I end up flipping short when it popped 2030. End up covering into the drop at 2006. Make some money there. It started basing right here, so I ended up flipping that back long. Took a little small loss right here. It ended up reclaiming. I got back in, took a long, and made the money back right there. It dropped down more and went long again because I figured it was gonna like eventually gonna pop back up, man. Eventually, like this thing gonna pop back up. So I ended up going long at the base of the stock, making money, and then it was 1 o'clock, and then I said, man, it's not doing nothing, man. I got in right at the bottom too. Look at perfect trade right here, y'all. That's what I'm saying, like perfect trade. I got in at the bottom of this thing. Y'all can see it right here. End up selling it. Nice trade right there, and I was done, man. Just in and out, just reading the stock. And I think I looked every trade I made, I won on except for one, and made a total of $774. I was trading like 500, 600 shares at a time. Not that many shares, and still made almost $1,000, man. So, just giving y'all that trade recap right there. We'll be back in action consistently. I've been super busy with everything else I got going on. I haven't been trading every day, but when I see a strategy I like, I take it. Market's been slow, but we're gonna be back at it, man. Website gonna be back up. Chat room gonna be back up. I'm doing everything by myself, so that's why it's like this. Can't wait to get done with this strategy, get done making those videos, to put y'all on game on, you know, how I'm seeing these stocks and try to help y'all make money, man. So that's it for this video. Green Day, and let's get it. Peace.